Good morning, ladies. Okay, so I'm officially 4 weeks and 1 day pregnant, and we're going to do another first response today. The last first response I took, I will show you, and if you guys have not been seeing my Instagram posts, go over, I'll put the link down below for my Instagram. This is where I'm putting all my pregnancy test pictures. So as you can see, it's so dark, I'm so excited. But the past few days have been very, very similar. So I am a little bit anxious, and I've been, posting on Insta, and people are like, no, it's okay, and it takes a little while for, the ink to steal from the control line and things like that. So I'm going to test again today. I know I probably shouldn't, but I can't help myself. So we're going to dip this. Hey, look at that line. It's like coming up so quick. So that came up so super quick, so I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes because it tends to get darker when it dries. The problem is with these first responses is they're so sensitive. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. But I feel like after a certain darkness, they don't get any darker until then they steal the control line. Kind of looks a bit lighter almost than yesterday's. See, this is me. This is just me worrying now. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and I'm going to come back because I'm just staring at a pregnancy test, worrying. Okay, so I've just done a bit of history. That's why I'm so out of breath. Right, which one is which? Why am I such a nightmare? Well, they both look pretty dark, but I can't remember which one's which. Okay, so this is today's, and this is yesterday's. Is that right? Yeah. I'm going to try not to stress out. They're still dark, they're still, good lines. I found that with the clear blue ones, as I was taking them, they were getting progressively darker, whereas these kind of just got to a point and then didn't get any darker. So please let me know what you guys have had experience with these fresh responses. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to me for free, because I'm just freaking out, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, ladies. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.